Looking to speed up your Windows PC with just a few clicks? Meet Microsoft PC Manager, your built-in performance booster. First, download it from the official Microsoft website if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and you're greeted with a clean, simple dashboard. Click Boost to instantly clear temporary files and free up memory. It's like a power nap for your PC, fast and refreshing. Next, try the health check. It scans for system issues, startup overload, and junk files. Just click Proceed to fix everything in one go. Running low on space? Go to Storage Management and use Deep Cleanup to remove hidden clutter. Tired of slow boot ups? Disable unnecessary startup apps right inside PC Manager. No need to dig through settings. And yes, it's secure. PC Manager works with Microsoft Defender to protect your system from threats and unwanted software. Keep your PC fast, clean, and secure, all in one app. Download Microsoft PC Manager today and give your PC the tune-up it deserves. Don't be left behind. Stay secure, stay updated. Like, share, and follow for more tech tips and reminders.